What's up?
I named one of the ducks side duck.
You named one of the ducks side duck? It's the Mary Vagle Nature Center. So I said Mary.
Oh, I thought you said Larry.
The Larry.
I have my hearing aid in too.
You need to bump up your hearing aid a little bit. Just a little bit. They're the ducks. The quack quack.
Oh, there's goose right there too. Goose. You see the big ones that are right here? Yeah. The one with the little girl is like a little boy, whatever. What? Goose.
What? Did you say ghost?
Ghost.
With the ghosts. Those crazy goose ghosts. Oh, might want to watch out. Might want to watch out. There's landmines all over the place.
Landmines.
Whole bunch of poop. You guys want an earring?
Huh?
I said, you want a spider with the...
No.
Let's see, can I see it? Oh yeah, I can see it, look.
What is that?
Oh, Ewan.
It's an earring.
I want to
Look,
pick it
it's a
up
spider.
and keep it. I want to pick it up and keep it. Can I?
No, you cannot keep it. What?
Ducks.
It's called what?
Lemonade berry.
Oh, that's crazy. Lemonade berry. So that's what it looks like.
You told me to pet it. You got to pick it up.
And what's this one called?
A sugar bush?
A sugar bush?
No. That's what
Sugar
you
bush.
said when you said it.
Are we allergic to dogs?
I don't know. I don't think so.
How do you look? How?
No one's allergic to ducks. I'm pretty sure. You cannot.
If anybody was, it'd be you guys.
I don't want it to bite me.
I mean, they kind of do, but they really don't. They kind of just peck.
You pet it. Dad, you go pet it.
They're trying to find the worms and stuff. Huh? You guys trying to find the worms and food? Quack 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 quack.
Well, Chrissy said that the duck's feet look like
Love to see all the ducks.
Can I go pet one of them?
No.
I don't think they're gonna let you.
I'm not
You could
petting
try if you want.
No.
Try petting
No. He looks
Dad.
mean.
He's got some cool feathers. I like his feathers. I like your feathers, dude.
I don't think he likes you because he's walking away.
What's up? You gotta quack quack away?
He's like, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye, Mr. Duck. Bye-bye, dude.
Little Tracy said that.
Nice meeting you.
Little Tracy said that its feet are like mine when I take off my leg braces.
No, my lord. That's funny. The other one's just chilling.
They're like really fucking.
It's a monarch way station. So the monarch butterflies. Says this site provides milkweed, nectar sources, and shelter needed to. The dog looked like he had a big old smile.
I got chills.
It's called the California Buckeye.
Timmy?
It's kind of bare though right now.
I want a dog now.
Is sage?
From dusk to dawn.
There's sage?
Can we go tail now?
That's what it smells like.
Yeah, the kids want to go on the mountain.
That's up to you guys. We can go up the mountain, I guess, a little bit.
Can we get it? Hey.
That way? We have to know where this is dusk to dawn.
Yeah. Let me go. I'm gonna do this little sign real fast. For the Santa Ana River watershed. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I guess we'll go up the mountain right there a little bit. That one. You want to go this one?
Yes, this way.
No, that way.
Where the trail is. Isn't that a trail?
Yeah, there's a trail right here, this side. This one's.
That way. I want to make sure there's two ways. This way or that way. Let's go this way.
Okay.
Which way are we going?
This way.
Right here.
Follow that.
This way? Okay. Follow Dad, buddy. Yeah.
We'll see if it goes around.
Oh
Well,
God.
Ooh. I want to go the safe way, not this way. Ow.
I hear the birds.
Can we go to Safeway? Can we go to Safeway?
Ooh, what's over there? Are we going over there?
Yeah, we'll go that way.
I'm going first.
How are you gonna go first? You're crazy. Huh?
You want to go first?
Oh, if you want to.
Yeah, don't touch me.
But stay close though.
I need a snack. Yoshi looks Mexican though.
What is this?
Yeah. I'm afraid.
Don't touch any plants.
I want to take a
I
picture.
need a
Oh, there's birds up there.
Yeah, the birds, you can hear them. You can hear them go. Click, click, click.
Dad, I need a sneeze.
They got the holes for like snakes and stuff.
Can we go back then?
There's holes.
Yes, it's the outdoors.
Can we go back then?
Dude, I doubt.
The snakes aren't gonna try to get you.
As soon as you say that, they'll probably attack you. Something buzzing.
Did you guys know that snakes are actually scared of you guys?
Go. Stop looking at
Like maybe Tadashi, if there was a snake, maybe Tadashi will throw it like that dog.
The little bird scared you.
Was she a dog? She cried top of bird.
Yes, that bird was about to die.
Imagine she still had her stick.
Yeah.
All I hear is dogs. All I hear is dogs and people.
Walking on our little
It's
bridge.
safe to go, though. That doesn't look
It's safe.
It's safe.
I walked on it.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, is it safe for someone with legs?
I don't know. We don't know about that.
What?
I like that.
We'll have to come back. Have to come back a lot more.
What's beep and steep? You said beep.
The little birds that we're trying to get. See, it's right there.
Imagine.
Oh no, that's a groundhog, or a
What?
Tadashi is one of your family.
It was big.
It was on Tadashi's family members.
Let's go. Can you go back there?
He was big.
Is there something over there?
Like imagine.
Yeah, it was like looked like a groundhog or something.
What's a groundhog?
Imagine if Yuki still had her stick when she saw that.
Kind of like a mole, like just like a big, like type of rodent.
Like yours is?
Yeah,
I saw a boy.
the goofers.
She's called it goofers, goobers, the gapers.
There's two ways. So there's over there and over here. No, don't go down.
Oh, look, there's stairs.
Go uphill.
That's the one that goes. It goes down back to where we were.
Oh, never mind. I know.
We're probably gonna have to head back anyways, cause it's supposed to be closed off soon. Cause all the wildlife will start coming out. Cause it's starting to get.
Go back then.
Let's go back.
Unless you guys want to go right over here.
Can we?
Mom's going that way anyway, so.
She's looking to fall into that hole right now.
You said she's looking to fall in that way.
Go back now.
We're just going right here. There's nothing out here.
Yeah.
We went hiking up there in Vital Creek.
Yeah. It was skills. Yeah,
And there's
We're with you guys.
and we have other people out here.
Yeah. We have to
So
dig up those.
so if anything happens, we just got to be faster than everybody else.
Hey. we gotta start running.
Yeah, you gotta be faster than everyone else.
Go down the stairs to heaven.
No, yeah.
I don't want to go to heaven right now. I don't want to.
And if we're going,
I don't want to go to heaven.
Are we going to the small path?
I heal people.
I like other kids.
Are we going to the small path?
I guess. Yes,
I don't
this
know.
way. Keep going. Go for
Alright, let me go first.
and then I go first.
I don't
Okay,
like
you
it
stay right
now.
Okay.
I don't
Make sure
like
you don't touch me. Don't fall trip.
Yeah, keep going. I don't want to walk.
It's not that tiny.
Little bird.
I love this.
I think the bird is following us. Cause the same bird. It's the same bird. He's way over. He just moved. He's over there. He went over there. Look.
Hello, boy. I'm gonna name you Pennywise. No, I'm gonna name you Penny. I'm gonna name you Penny.
I keep
No, it's my boat. If the boat follows me,
that is me.
if the boat follows me, I'm gonna name it Penny. When I saw the dog, my soul came out of my body and went back again. Oh, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
no.
Well, I don't wanna die. Yeah, that was going now.
No.
Someone got on a walk.
I'm wearing armor, so the
Spray paint.
You guys are funny.
Wait, do we wait for them to come back?
I know, cold.
We're gonna have to go
Back.
Yeah, go this way.
a little bit because
Yeah.
they're coming down to
Yeah. Should let everybody through. How you doing? Say hi.
Go Halloween's not pretty far.
Oh, okay.
Have the little ones.
Yeah.
What am I supposed to do?
And it's getting darker soon, so.
But it goes up pretty good. It's
Oh, okay.
Look like
Thank.
they're in Lion King.
Have a nice night.
Can I climb up this wall?
Yeah, you can if you want.
Hmm?
Can I climb up this wall?
Don't push it. You can.
You can if you
I
want.
want to try to.
I'm so scared to fall because I smashed my toe.
Like you do.
Oh, there goes your phone.
Your phone.
Oh, that's Yo-Yo's phone.
Can you hold my phone?
I'm so scared to fall.
Here, just give it to me.
You're the only one that got deep pockets right now.
Like this.
Okay.
Keep your hands out, so in case you slip, you could at least brace yourself.
Yeah, right. They're gonna go like this and this slowly.
Like, give me out your pockets. Don't me out. Just out your pockets. So if you fall, you can catch
I have
yourself.
my hands in my pockets. I've been walking this whole time.
You're gonna go up.
Down safe.
Mom, you should go up.
my finger.
Maybe it'll help your
You
knees
guys are funny.
if you climb.
I did climb.
Yep, I got that.
No, you should get down. You don't go that way.
Let's move
Oh,
like
get
that to
down.
Nashi like
I
that.
don't like this.
She's the Lion King.
Help me.
Dude, you act like
Gotta
you're
just
not
slide
tall.
down. Slide your feet down.
She acts
Like
like,
I
she's
just
not
did.
tall. If she falls, she's not gonna do anything.
Did
Ah,
you
fine, y'all.
fall after that?
Do you want me to try to get him up there?
I hit my knee. You want me to hold your phone?
No, I could do it with him.
I'm a little ready.
Oh, you want to try to go up?
Wait. Can I have the camera?
You try to go up?
Watch out, Tosh.
I'm gonna go over here. Okay, don't fall.
Don't fall, dude.
Oh my god.
Wait, you guys are leaving. Don't leave us. Don't leave us.
I don't like to say close goodbye.
Look at me. Do with the camera. Look at me.
Oh,
Look at me on the camera.
Ooh, can I? Ooh, that's cool stick.
No, I want to bring it home. We can bring it home. Can we?
I'm scared.
Kenny, this part off.
Come on, step
Oh,
up.
that point I
I did smash my finger when I was going down, though. Don't do that. Toshi, sit down. Sit down and you can slide down. I don't know what to film anymore. You don't know what the camera? You can have that. I don't know what to film anymore. Can I have this whole stick?
Did you say, can I have this whole stick?
Yeah. Please. You are not leaving us. Can I get a stick?
If you want, go ahead.
Picking one. Who wants to hold my phone?
What'd you say? Huh?
I just want to hold my phone so I don't drop it like I just did to others. Oh my god, I'm seeing it. Ah!
Whoa.
I made it!
Yeah, you made it.
When did this
Don't worry, I'll catch you. No, don't. Yeah, we made it. Come up here, we're going to go over there.
Yeah, I know.
We
No, don't go up there, Tadashi.
We have to go on a boat.
Slide down.
Can I go there? My butt hurts. After hitting my butt on that wall.
You're just step down.
Just step down.
You act like you're gonna die.
I want you guys to get together so I can take the picture.
Right
I'm
there.
sitting up here.
Can I sit right here?
Yeah.
Sit down right here.
You can sit right there, little Tracy.
I'm trying to
You and Yo-Yo
So
or
can sit right
Stan.
there because it looks like a chill.
Oh my god.
Yo-Yo's crazy.
Come on.
Oh my lord.
Wait, going on around here.
Oh my lord. So nuts. Okay, turn around, little Tracy, and sit your booty down.
This is actually fun. Hi.
You get your picture? Let me see if I get mine. Still a video.
I know. Hold on, let me try to get a pro.
Says she's trying to get a pro one.
Please hurry up.
I love this walk. It's gonna be mine.
Am I
and
the
I'm
one
gonna name
that's
it Jimmy.
looking straight at you?
I
Probably,
want to name this walk Jimmy.
because everybody's crazy.
Look at that. Okay.
Say cheese!
Cheese.
Little Tracy.
Oh, get down.
My butt hurts.
Slide down.
Keep your weight more back. So if you do slide, you'll slide. If you fall, you'll hit your butt more.
If you slide, you go like this and hit your head on the rock.
Better than falling face forward.
I missed hitting your head on the rock.
Whoa.
Face forward into the rock and the dirt.
A concussion.
You just want to keep your weight back a little bit.
We just fell.
So if anything attack us,
Oh my lord! You're gonna hit him with the giant stick.
Yeah.
I think.
Go ahead, pick one up.
I think we should go
Pick
down.
what? Can I pick
He said he wants a stick. There's sticks everywhere.
Excuse me. I want this one.
Oh, sorry.
My dad is stick.
I want this one.
Look, Tadashi, look. There's one right there. Look, there's a big one right there.
That
Right here.
was
Look,
fixed up there.
right there.
You guys gonna like this one.
This one uphill.
I'm gonna name this one.
They just went back up there first. What do you think? It's a fake rock?
Can we go back and put some
Yeah, we're gonna go back.
I think we should
We're gonna come back out here. This is just
Can we come back
we'll probably come back tomorrow.
tomorrow?
tomorrow. Then we have to go.
Oh, sorry, I keep calling.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't know.
So maybe the day after tomorrow. We'll come back.
Today?
I guess we're following Lil Tracy. He's leading the way. Lil Tracy's leading the way. Ooh, watch out, dude.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna follow Fox this way.
Going this way. The dangerous path.
No running.
No, I can't go to walk.
Come on.
Now hold my butt. But we're going down the walk. They're right ahead of us.
Boys, come back.
What's
The
the
ones
math?
that were scared are now in front of us.
Come
I'm
back.
scared too.
Because they got sticks.
I'm not scared actually. I actually got
Tashi has the
Me too.
sharpest one.
They said they got sticks, so they're all right.
Tashi has the sharpest one.
Okay, go ahead.
Went into my brace.
Go. You guys can go now. No running. No running.
I'm gonna actually push you. You want to come with me?
Don't pick up nothing.
Go. I would not if I actually push you.
Right now.
Ew.
Ew, that's picking.
On.
Oh, I touched it. It's just a hole.
There might be stuff in there.
Oh, yeah, no.
There's bathrooms everywhere up here.
Why did we go down the
Tadashi wanted to go across the little bridge.
stairs? Can I go downstairs?
No,
Oh, my gosh.
because I don't even know where that leads.
I want to know.
All right, we'll come back when we do it on Wednesday. We'll go that way.
another path? Oh shoot.
Hey, wait for mom and them. Mom and Yo-Yo are bringing up the rear.
You guys. Stay here. Stay right there. This is adventure. Did you go down that path or did you go down this way?
Okay, we went down. Put your stick back, Tadashi.
Oh, he looks so sad. No.
Oh, everyone left already.
Yeah.
Hey,
The duck's
can I
going.
have,
Bye-bye.
Come on, Stinkies.
Can I have my phone? I wanted to take a picture.
I'm scared of the ducks.
Get a duck. Get a duck.
Actually scared of me too.
No.
When I tripped, it sounded like the duck dropped it.
Probably did.
Gonna die. What's that for a poop?
Oh yeah, watch
The ducks are following us. The ducks are following us. Guys, look, the ducks are following us.
Oh, I like the white ones.
Behind, look, up on you guys.
Huh?
Look at that.
Oh yeah, it does.
Dad, can I pet one of the dogs?
Hmm?
Can I pet one of the dogs before you leave?
I don't know. I don't know if they're gonna let you.
because she wants a pet duck.
Yeah.
Here, go get those ones over there.
No.
No,
Yeah.
they will attack you without your eyeball.
No, they won't. I mean, they might, but no, they won't.
Okay,
I was right. I was right.
That is leading the way.
Quack.
You want to die?
You want to die? You want to die? Tati, get this way. Get this
If you
way.
want, want to go up there?
Yeah. You go up there. Ow. Just die.
Huh? They keep running away.
You should get a